Yeah, what's good, y'all? This is Grizz. I'm about to teach you guys how to use guest star feature on Twitch ASAP. So you want to go to create a dashboard. You want to make sure you click on guest star. When you open up the guest star, first thing you want to do is go to browser source settings. The browser source settings, you want to copy this group automatic layout just in case people jump in and out. It'll keep everything organized and formatted. With the camera option, you want to choose your best camera. That's going to show your best features, have the best lighting and things of that nature. The microphone, pick a microphone that people can hear you off of. And the audio output, I will use Control Audio from software, so you can adjust the settings in OBS to make the sound either more or less, or whatever the situation may be. You can add your moderators. You can have them do mod actions and stuff like that. And then the nameplates you can put on so people will know who they're speaking to when your audience is speaking to your guests. After all that's said and done, you want to go to invite your guests. When you invite a guest, you want to type in a Twitch name, or you can select one of your followers, subscribers, teammates, or mods and VIP. Once you send out that invite, that said invite will be in a notification bar here. And a quick note is they can join from phone or they can join from the PC. Hopefully this helps someone out. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more tips. I'm trying to make them as fast as possible because I hate these 10-minute videos that lead on to nothing. Have a great day.